Welcome to the channel. My name is Conor. It is great to have you here. I'm tuning in with you from the McKenzie River in Oregon. The McKenzie River is just beyond those beautiful woods. I feel very blessed to be here with you today. And in today's video, you can already tell the pace is slow. And you may have already felt the desire to click out of this video and find something that's a little more in your face and a little more exciting, something that can be a little more distracting. And I'm really going to ask that you stay with this video until the very end. Part of the practice that we're going to do today is about slowing down. And whenever we start slowing down, parts of us can come in that really don't want to slow down. Why is that? It's because there's something in slowing down that may be felt that parts of us want to avoid feeling. But it is my belief that the best thing that we can do for ourselves is to take time every day to slow down, be present, and feel our feelings. So I'm going to invite you to be with me for this video and just take it as an opportunity. It's not a long video, right? It's pretty chill, not a big commitment, but nonetheless a commitment for yourself and for your parts to take a little time to just be. Yes, you're getting a little guidance and maybe there's some aspect of entertainment to it because it's on a screen, but you're still doing something a little different than, let's say, doom scrolling or coming in from a very busy day with a lot on your plate or thinking about all the stuff you have to do tomorrow. I want to be here with you right now. So let's just start with taking a breath, big breath. Little bit of noise on the exhale. It's giving that sigh of relief. One more just like that. So in the time that we're going to share today, we're going to look at 3 different areas of your internal world. And we're going to do this in a very gentle way. Everything is geared towards bringing more self-energy forward. Self-energy is this innate state that we all have. There are 8 characteristics defined by IFS that in regards to self-energy. We are going to focus on calm, curious, and compassionate. Really easy to remember, simple 3, calm, curious, and compassionate. So we're going to bring this state of energy forward. It's already here, it's already in you. I think it's already started to show itself more that you're watching this video. You've taken a couple of breaths. I'm talking very gently, very slowly. There's all this nature around us. So self-energy is beginning to show itself more clearly. Self-energy is basically presence. It's mindfulness. It's being here right now. So we're going to explore 3 different areas of your system. Very gently, in a very relaxed way. Not digging, not prying, not forcing. We're really just here to notice right now, okay? Let's take another breath. Allow yourself to make that noise. It really helps settle things down. I've got a little bug crawling around on my leg somewhere. Talk about being present. Okay, and I want you to bring your energy, your attention, and your focus up into the head for a moment. If it's helpful, you can definitely close your eyes. If it's helpful to stay engaged with me here, you can do that. Now bring your energy up into the head. I want you to notice what thoughts you're thinking right now. Are you thinking about what you're going to do after this video? Are you wondering when the video is going to end? Are you thinking about something that occurred today, something that got a little stuck? What are you thinking? Just noticing, what am I thinking? I want you to take another breath with me, and on this breath, I want you to breathe in as if you're breathing into the mind space, into the brain, up into the head. And as you breathe out, I want you to say internally, would you like to relax more with me right now? Okay, so let's take that breath into the head. Breathing out, saying internally, would you like to relax more with me right now? Whatever has happened is perfect. Your brain has relaxed more, your brain has gotten more active, absolutely nothing changed. It's perfect. Let that be enough. And we're going to move into the body. This is, what am I sensing? Okay? So I want you to breathe in. Make that gentle noise. Ah. And just notice the sensations in your body. I want you to zero in on one area of your body where you notice the most energy. It doesn't mean that it's the most uncomfortable. It doesn't mean that it feels the best. It just means that it's the most alive. For me right now, it's a little bit in the back, in the neck. So I'm just going to tune into that area of my neck. I'm going to be with it presently, as it is, right in this moment. We're going to do the same thing we did with the head. So we're going to breathe in. We're going to breathe into whatever area of this body is holding the most energy. By the way, if you don't really know where, I would just recommend breathing into your chest or into your belly space. Okay? So we're going to breathe in, imagining that this air is going right into that space that you're focusing on and kind of expanding it. And as you breathe out, you're saying to yourself, would you like to relax more with me right now? Okay, let's try. Breathing in. Breathing out, would you like to relax more with me right now? Ah. And again, let that be enough. That's perfect. Whatever happened or didn't happen, you are doing the work right now. Just a couple more minutes in this video, so stick with me. We've got one more area. That is the emotional body, your emotional world. I'm doing this because we tend to feel it most in the belly and in the chest, but it can be in the whole body, whatever makes sense to you. So I want you to close your eyes, take a breath, breathing in, breathing out with that sigh of relief into relaxation. Ah. And all you're doing is tuning into, what am I feeling? Is there sadness? Is there anxiety? Is there tension? Is there joy? Is there passion? Are there so many things you don't even know what it all is? Can you just be with that in the noticing? You're just taking a little time to feel your feelings more deeply. We're going to do the same thing. So breathing into that space, wherever you feel your emotional world is. For me, it's going to be right here. So I'm going to be breathing in, bringing this energy of awareness through the breath into this space and expanding it. On the breath out, we're going to be offering, would you like to relax more with me right now? Okay? So breathing into that space. Breathing out, would you like to relax with me more right now? Whatever has happened or hasn't happened, let that be enough. If you took the time to do that little exercise with me today, I really want you to celebrate yourself. You did a good thing for you, for your system, and quite honestly, for the world. This is, I believe, the best way that we can have a positive impact is by finding this peace and centeredness in ourselves and projecting that outward. And it's a practice, so it's okay if it doesn't feel like a lot happened. I promise you that the more that you do this with consistency, the bigger, grander, and deeper change you will feel when you do exercises like this one. So thank you, thank yourself for taking this time. I hope to see you at the next video. Take care.